Today we are going to talk about alkanes. That is the most important topic of IR, GCSE and IGCSE. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons that only contain single covalent bond between CC, carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen. Okay, the simplest family of the organic compounds are the main components of natural gas and crude oil. From these carbon and hydrogen bonds, the molecules that are made are the main components in natural gas. Okay, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, and Cn is the number of carbon atoms in a molecule. For example, if C is 1, so if C, I will do here, if C is 1, if n is equal to 1, so that will become C, carbon will be 1, H 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, CH4. That is called methane. Okay. Same if N is 2, so that will become C2, and H2 means 2N, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, C2A6. That is called ethane. Okay, that is called ethane. Okay, there are the first 10 alkanes. First is methane, CH4, that is ethane, C2H5. You just have to how to find the number of hydrogens. You have to just multiply number of hydrogens with 2 and add 2 after that. Okay, C3H8, C4H10 is called butane, pentane is C5H12, hexane is C6H14, heptane is C7H16, and octane is C8H18. Nonane is C9H12, H20, C10H22, that is decane. Structure of alkanes. Carbon atoms are joined by a single covalent bond. Each carbon forms four covalent bonds, and hydrogen atoms complete the remaining bond. For example, that is methane. So methane will have one carbon. We know that the formula is CH4. So it has one carbon and it will make four bonds with hydrogen. So that is a simple structure of methane. Now what about ethane? What is the formula for ethane? Ethane, N is equal to 2. So that will become C2. H2N means H2N, or N is 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So that means it has two carbons and six oxygen. Now I will draw here. There is a single bond between carbon atoms, and each carbon atom has remaining three bonds with hydrogen. Okay, so that is a structure of ethane. What? Why are alkanes called saturated? Because alkanes are saturated because they contain the maximum possible number of hydrogen atoms. Okay, no carbon double bond or triple bond present in that. Okay, as we move, as the number of carbon atoms increases, okay, as we increase the number of, boiling point will increase, melting point increase, density increase, viscosity increase, volatility decrease. Okay, and flammability also decrease. The most flammable alkane is CH4, that is methane, that we use in our home for gas. State of alkenes. Number of carbon atoms. As number of carbon atom increases, the alkanes start to change its state from gas to liquid form. For example, C1 to C4, all of them are gases. C5 to C17, all of them are liquid. C say 18 and above, all are, of them are solid. For example, that look we use for the butamol, that we use for a road construction, that is solid. Okay, that is also a alkane. Chemical properties of alkanes. Alkanes are generally less reactive than alkenes. Why? Because they only contain a single bond, and for that it is difficult to break it. They mainly undergoes are two types of reaction. First is combustion and second is substitution reaction. Okay, combustion of alkanes. There is a complete combustion. When complete combustion occurs, when there is a excess oxygen. So for example, methane reacts with oxygen. 2 moles of oxygen gives us CO2 plus 2H2O and a lot of energy. Okay. So product would be carbon dioxide, water, and blue flames. Okay, and release a lot of heat. Okay, incomplete combustion when oxygen is limited. Okay, for example, 2CH4 plus 3O2 gives us carbon monoxide. Okay, that is poisonous. Okay, and may also produce unburned carbon, that is called soot. Okay, products are carbon the monoxide, water, and sometimes soot. Carbon monoxide is very poisonous. Okay, it is lighter than uh, oxygen, so it mixes with our blood. Substitution reactions. Alkanes react with halogens. Halogens are group 7 elements in the presence of ultraviolet light. Only hydrogen atom is replaced by the uh, hydrogen atom is replaced by the halogen atom. For example, CH4 methane reacts with chlorine. Okay, what will happen? CH3, one hydrogen will be replaced by chlorine, and that will make hydrogen chloride. Okay, I will make an example over here. Just give me 1 second. So I will just move here. I will give you example. For example, that is methane. That is where is methane? Yes, that is methane. Okay, so when ultraviolet light with chlorine atom will attack this hydrogen atom, okay, and this hydrogen atom will be replaced by one of chlorine. Okay, now chlorine, now there is only one chlorine. Okay, only one chlorine, other chlorine will become a radical, and this will make a bond with each radical, so they both connect together and make HCl. Okay, that is a process of substitution. We will go deep if you take online classes from our teachers. Okay, now cracking of alkanes. What is cracking? Cracking breaks large alkane molecules into smaller alkanes and alkenes. This is done because greater demand of smaller hydrocarbons and alkanes. Why? Because petrol is a smaller hydrocarbons and gas is a smaller hydrocarbon. Okay. In this example, you can see that C10H22 is a big molecule. Okay. It has a lot number of carbon atoms, so it could be solid or something like that. But C5H12 and C5H10 are two types of petrol. Okay. So that is more useful. So we will crack and get these type of molecules. Okay, that types of hydrocarbon. Homologous series. Alkanes belong to the homologous series, meaning they have same general formula, similar chemical properties, similar reaction. Successive members differ by CH2. Okay, for example, methane, ethane, propane, butane. All of them have same properties. Everything else. For example, that is methane. Okay, we will just add another C. Okay, nothing else will be changed, and it will also have a same type of structure. Okay, that is ethane and propane and so on. Okay, uses of alkane: methane, domestic heating, cooking gas, electricity generation. Okay, propane is used for LPG, camping fuel, heating. Butane for cigarette lighters, portable gas stoves. Octane, major component of a petrol. Okay. Paraffin, long chain alkanes, candles, lubricants, wax. Advantages of uh, alkanes: excellent fuel. Okay. High energy content, easy to transport and store, widely used. Disadvantage: non-renewable, produce carbon dioxide during combustion. Incomplete combustion, produce poisonous gases, contributes to global warming. Environmental effect: carbon dioxide is a global warming gas. Climate change: carbon monoxide cause poisoning and reduce oxygen transport in the blood. That's why some people die due to the carbon monoxide in cars or in homes if they are using gas stove in winters. Soot causes respiratory disease and air pollution, that is happening right now in India and Pakistan. AQI index. Okay. Comparison between alkanes and alkenes. Okay. Alkenes are saturated, whereas alkenes are not. Double bond, no, alkenes don't have double bond, whereas alkenes have double bond. General formula, that remember this general formula: CnH2n plus 2, where N is number of carbon atoms, and for alkenes that is CnH2n. Reactivity, less reactive, more reactive. Okay. Main reaction, substitution and here addition. Okay. No color change to the bromine water, whereas orange to colorless. Summary table, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Remember this formula, CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms. Single covalent bonded only. Combustion and substitution, that is all for alkanes. Okay, cracking produce smaller alkanes, CO2 H plus H2O, that is a complete combustion. In complete combustion we get carbon monoxide, water and soot. If you want, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to take online classes, please